guys, I'm covering the bunker. Can we have somebody with AP or rifleman push that bunker?
Copy. I'll push the bunker.
I'm not gonna do this one.
Okay, we need to keep covering this guy. Please cover this one.
Oh shit, there's also guys, I think.
Rifle grenadier. German rifle grenadier.
That hangar with you,
So,
no?
should be fun. I did this match, I have no idea what's going on.
Tank's getting engaged by
It was just him. I got him.
Let's try to work that out.
I'm going in.
To this little house.
They're trying to get the bunker.
Second floor near our spawn there.
You can see
Bob.
grenade out. Just in case.
They're coming out of the building over here too, I think.
Well, I'll try. That's not good.
Alright guys, start working your way towards me. We're gonna clear them out.
Could be a
Oh fuck, I'm dead.
Panzer strike.
Inside of the bunker. There's no fucking radio here. There's not like a... I don't know where the fuck
Yeah,
they're spawning from.
I think they're coming from the observe marker.
Okay, we're
There's a
back
radio
in
man
at the same
in
place.
my where I'm dead at. So in the bunker.
It's an enemy vehicle. I'll blow it up. Good sound.
Radio man, if you can get me up instead of rally.
Yeah, this way.
Alright, part of it is gone. Not playing with the squad, you're gone. Somebody else is
Nice. That was pretty fun. I like
Zap
blowing
or
stuff
18?
up.
I got 18.
Somebody else pick up sap.
It's a
I got 18.
yeah, it's that's
Yeah. The rest of it, we're going on a bomb hunt. Back up. Get there fast.
I'm not the best. Ah!
The empty hole there. Everybody goes to the empty hole.
I thought that was a grenade.
Okay.
That was right.
We're gonna get it.
That's unfortunate. We got 181 tickets left.
Enemy,
in
enemy.
16
There are.
minutes, so hopefully we can
South side
fend
of
off
the
the
building.
Americans and not run.
You just got
out of-
inside.
Got it.
Back south. Alright, just joined us. Go to the observe mark. I'm trying to push and hold this area.
It's all team.
Alright, command has dropped the bomb on that.
That's
Keep pushing to the attack mark.
Hold up the building directly west of the
okay.
attack mark.
I guess I'm going
Rally
over there.
there.
Squad leader needs to do
That's what
that.
we're doing right now.
And you
We're taking
Taking
contact
shots
south.
from the south.
Oh, the
over
MG42
there
guy. I've played this with this guy on on Squad 44 before. Nice.
Fuck him down. God damn it.
I can pick you up.
Careful, they're over here, guys.
Holy crap.
We got armor.
I don't know what that car. I don't know what it is. So where on the car thing. Might be cool money.
Oh my god.
Yeah, there's definitely people over here.
Alright, we're just pretty much working our way west, southwest, looking for enemy.
South.
They're
Okay.
close to the radio right now.
Yeah, see if you can around the radio guy. Also mark.
God,
I
I'm
don't need
scared.
Defend around there. Just getting a good spot. Wait for them to come to us, I guess.
Oh. Oh, I got him. Oof. Teammate revival. No, he's
Enemy
dead.
there.
Can shoot rocket jet at the
Take
front.
the little head. Oh crap. Yeah, how did they must have flanked through the forest and like
42
they
seconds.
probably have to spawn here.
42
Maybe in
seconds
that
for the
building.
rally.
But it's good that we know that they're
I'm
over
down.
there.
Can you get me up, somebody? I got hit.
It's just my squad who's fighting over there. And they're
Yeah, insane.
else is fighting.
Watch out to the northwest.
This too.
Somebody cover the south of the building.
Where?
Got two on the
Whoa.
south side.
Oh
Good
my
job,
god, I'm
Just.
so
Good job, Just.
yeah,
Yeah, give
okay. I hear you. I'm not in the we're getting shot at though still from the same area.
Watch the doors over here. They're over there too.
There's one in the window on the second floor. Right, northwest.
They're coming from
300.
the building at the question marks.
I've got
I see them running out from the.
I just busted a bomb.
I might be dead. I might be
Oh, you
No! Oh crap. I need a bandage. Gonna bleed out. Or get shot. They're everywhere. Only gotta hold on for 10 more minutes. Only got 120 more tickets. Which is not good.
Watch out, they're breaching. They're gonna breach. They're gonna breach.
It's just my squad and this random sniper from another squad. But we're putting a grenade on.
Anyone?
I'm coming for you, Just. Yeah, the second floor is better.
Other side.
I got you, Carver.
On my body. On my body.
Oh, crap. Maybe let's shoot some
Downstairs,
heat.
downstairs, they're downstairs.
They're downstairs.
Yep.
Yes. Mile of us dead. MG42 guy, the rest of you guys on the bomb, they're gonna need your support. Outside of the building now, or you guys are getting clipped. Shit.
I've got no syringes.
Crap.
No,
Yeah,
we
but
have
they're
enemies on
on
the
that
bomb.
side. Yeah. You just get over there, kill them.
Just try to defend the fob.
On me, I have the Panzer.
Proxy.
Sure, that probably be.
Dig it
I
up.
like
The fob
rifle
is down.
gun,
We
yeah.
need shovels on it. Shovels on it now.
Hey, are you sure it's not proxy?
Oh crap.
Could be.
That is a tiger. I got you back. We're getting flanked.
That's my body.
Alright guys, fall back, fall back. Hold on. Try to push him over to the side. First smoke,
Jesus
cross.
Christ.
Oh,
There's so many,
God.
bro. There's like many guys. I'll come from the side.
Everyone oh. How did I miss that? Dang it.
The shit tank standing.
We need to get out of the death trap that the fob is.
HE on our fob tank mark. Look at the map.
I don't know what Carver is.
Really
What
close
was
there.
So guys, I need 2 on these. On that building, we're gonna send around. Need help now.
Oh, I see you, thank you.
Need 2
I'll get
bodies
him
all
right.
down.
Attention is
I'm coming.
Thank
We're gonna send a rally here. Wait, what? Like on you. Please, sir. Rally. Push west from rally.
fob is red.
Scissors tank proxy.
That's essential.
Oh, Americans ahead. Thank you.
Tables.
How have I not killed him? Okay, that guy crap. I don't even know where that was from. Oh, we got 51 tickets.
Push towards the attack mark.
For 6 more minutes. It's gonna be tight. 50
Got enemies
tickets.
south now too. God damn, we got
But we
enemies
don't
south.
see any has.
They're fucking everywhere.
Those buildings. We're the only squad that's south in here. We gotta keep alive. I think we got enemy armor close to our boss. Alright, I'm gonna hold the south end. You guys can push west.
Oh yeah, that's really weird. I see another American.
Chinese Shepherd. I don't know. I don't think it's a good idea.
I'm out of bullets.
Lots of
Respawn,
contact.
it doesn't matter. Come on.
Alright. We have
You
4
lose,
minutes.
if you die, you respawn, you don't lose.
Oh, okay. But I'm not that
Yeah,
Try not to
everybody
die
just keep
because
respawning, just don't give up.
We've got 26. I'm just gonna
42 guy, I'll try to get you.
Okay. I'm just gonna wait until I bleed out.
Hold up. Let's see if I can get you. So let me take a peek. Should have got movement. I can't get you. Can't get these guys up. I can't.
How many tickets are we at? 19 in 3 minutes. Looks like we're probably gonna lose this match, but that's okay.
Alright. Lots of infantry coming through.
Yeah, 22 meters away, maybe. We just really don't wanna waste. Please help me.
Enemy there, enemy there, enemy there, enemy there.
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get revived. That's okay. At least I can immediately respawn.
Shooty shoot. Shoot.
In the next.
Oh, I'm so sorry. That is my bad. I am so sorry.
I don't understand.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Area.
I just flew away.
Oh,
Don't respawn. Don't give up. Don't give up.
Buena, Nicky. Le digo yo. Yo lo fusilé, lo vi.
I was just apologizing for the TK.
Están en la ventana.
Try to push this stay pumping these guys up if you can.
Vale, Nicky. Vamos a intentar avanzar.
Set up
Thank you so much. We got a minute and 30 seconds. Don't give up, we got a minute.
You guys spawn in the corner, don't
We got a minute.
Let him come to you.
Yo, MG, dude. MG, don't give up next time. You just lost.
Oh, we've got 2 tickets.
Oh, shit, I'm sorry.
2 tickets.
We got a minute, let's hold on.
Slow. Check the chat.
Dang it. GG. GG.